It's Christmas! Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. We have the best Christmas gift, which is my baby girl, okay? And we are not, yeah, we are now a family of 4. And I said to do some shoppings. I said to do some shoppings. And Christmas is a season of gifting, buying things, celebration. Everywhere is always beautiful. It's always beautiful during Christmas. So, ever since we became parents, or even ever since we got married, I don't think we've worn the same matching outfits or whatever. I don't think we've done that. Okay, even during our anniversary, I think 2 years ago, I wore a white sweater. I didn't plan for it anyways. It was off-white anyways, off-white sweater, and we said to snap, and my husband came out, and funny enough, he was wearing an off-white sweater, colored sweater. So we had somehow the same outfit, but we didn't plan it. Okay, so this one we decided to wear a matching outfit. Our family has been blessed. We are now 4. Unlike before, it was just I and my husband. Now we have 2 babies, 2 beautiful angels in our midst, and we are so grateful. And I decided to get some things for the Christmas. Okay, so let's unbox and see what is inside. Okay, so what about you? Have you gotten something for your family? Has your mother, has your father, has your aunt, has your uncle, has your husband, have you yourself gotten something for your children or your husband or your kids? So let's unbox what I got. I'm so excited. Where would I start first? So I said to get a matching outfit for us to wear, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like, we have the best Christmas gift, and we are going to be wearing the same matching outfit. I think I and my husband will wear the same thing, why my 2 daughters will be wearing the same thing. So I quite okay, this one is a surprise. I bought this outfit. I'll screenshot it and send to my husband. It was my husband that brought up the idea of getting something for us to wear during Christmas. So when he sent me the picture, this was the outfit he wanted to wear. He just wanted us to wear, I and him will wear red stuff, because he didn't see red stuff for himself that is written Christmas or whatever. So he decided to get this for himself. I will attach the screenshot. So when I told him that it has to be the same outfit, since he didn't get his, let me go for pajama, he wanted us to wear hood. Okay, so since we didn't get something for himself that is written Christmas, he said okay. I told him if he really wanted this, or he said no, it's just for Christmas. Okay, so I went and I browsed for pajamas. I later found the one that is okay for us, and I bought this one as a surprise. So officially, this is his Christmas gift. Then, oh man, okay. Then for Melody, I got this 3-piece of trousers. It's 3-piece. It has black. This one is 2 to 3 years. It has black. It has ash color, and it has pink. This is beautiful. Look at the reason why I bought this thing for this weather. Is so nice. So this is the reason why I bought it, so that she'll be warm. Then, ta-da! This one came in a Ziploc pack. This shoe is so beautiful. I bought size 23 for her. This shoe is so beautiful, guys. This is so nice. So the reason why I bought this shoe is because of this. It has this thing that keeps warm. Okay, and I equally bought this for myself. Since I came to Europe, I've had something like this once, and it wasn't my size any longer. I disposed it, and I said to get, this is my Christmas gift solely from me to me. Oh, this is beautiful. Wait though, is it not black? I ordered for brown. This is black because I have black shoes. I ordered for brown. This is black now. I ordered for brown, like, I'll go through it. I ordered for brown color. I might miss. This is black now. I ordered for brown and they gave me black. And if I should send this thing back now, it will take time. It will take time for it to get here. Eh? This is not brown now. This is black. I don't know. What do you think? Should I send it back? I ordered for brown and they gave me black. I have lots of black shoes that are like this. It's not really boots like this. So I have black shoes that are like this. I said to get brown, a brown boot. Why did they send this one to me? Let me even check if they send the right and left or left and left. Nah, Jesus. And they sent size 42. I'm size 40. I'm size 40. Nah, I will test it anyways because I don't know. There's a mix-up somewhere. I'm size 40. I think they had 40.5, 39.5. Now I took 41.5 and 40.5, and they sent me 42. They will not spoil my job. Should come here first. They will not steal my job. As well. Then I got this one as well for Baby Melody. This one is size 24. This one is size 23. I bought it's almost the same thing. The inside it keeps warm. Okay, so it's almost the same thing. This one came in a carton. This one came in a Ziploc. It's okay. It's beautiful. So this is size 24. This is size 25 for Melody. Melody has shoes, but why I bought this one is that I noticed that she didn't have this type of shoe that she can wear even if it's raining. Okay, so I said to get it even if she's going to school and it's raining, she'll be able to wear it. I said to get this too, and it's so beautiful. Okay, then okay, I got this white marker for my what is it called, for the pavement tiles. The center of it is there. I don't know what is mud is disturbing us in the other room, so I said to use it to repaint it. Then I got this. If I remember, I'll attach the clip. This is for cleaning, so if you don't want to make use of mop, you can make use of this. Then I got this for the water system. Okay, that's for this one. Then this is where we have our Christmas outfits, guys. I don't know, this shoe wants to make me angry, but anyways, ta-da! This one is okay. This one is for Melody. This one is for Melody. Let me check it out. I'll just show you people one since it's the same outfit. This one is for Melody. This is the trouser, and this is the top. This is the top. Okay, so these are our Christmas outfits. Our Christmas tea is ready. Okay. All right. Then this is for me and my husband. Okay, no, this one is L. On a big size. This is mom. That's how I don't make mistake. Oh. Hey, and they're sending this thing back now. Why did they write mom? Anyways, this is XXL and this is 3XL. I don't know, but anyways, anyhow, one is for myself, one is for my husband. But why is it written mom? Can see here it's written mom. Can see here it's written mom, and here it's written mom, right? It's written mom as well. So I don't know what is wrong with them. Is it that this Christmas they are becoming so much order that is making them to be mistaken? More especially this one, I have to write them more. This one is trying to make me get angry, but I don't want to get angry. Why would they send me black? And size 42 as well. Let me first of all try this. Let me try it first and see how it is. Let me try it first. Why would they send me size 42? The size 42 is not bad. I don't know how to show you guys. Okay, let me try and let me wear it. Mama. See her smiling. So let me try. Then I'll show you guys. I'll flip the camera and show you guys. Anyways, that's that for this Christmas unboxing. I have something else coming in, but that one is not for Christmas. We just ordered for some sleepwears. We just ordered for some sleeping wears, but this one is mostly for the shoe. Is my Christmas gift. The trouser and the shoes is Melody's Christmas gift. The 2-piece is my husband's Christmas gift. Why my little baby just have Christmas outfit, you know, her sister has clothes. So that's that for this unboxing. I will just flip the camera and show you guys what this shoe looks like. The 42 is not bad. Maybe that's why. Maybe the 0.5 is their own 42. I don't know. Anyway, but the problem now is that they sent me black color instead of brown. Thank you for watching. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is so this is what the shoe looks like. This is what it looks like. The 42 is not bad. But my problem now is that they gave me black color instead of brown. Anyways, that's that for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, ciao.